Hey guys! Welcome to my video blog. I am Kate and today I am going to show you the things I have that are made in the Philippines and the things I have that are from the other countries. And I am also gonna discuss kung bakit ko nasabi na made from Philippines yung gamit kong ito and yung iba kong gamit is made from other countries. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start! So guys, let's start. So these are my things that I have in here that are product from Philippines and the others are product from other country. That is mostly I have things that are made in China, just like this one, my matte foundation. This is made in PRC. And upon searching, yung PRC po is galing from China. And this eyeshadow palette and this blush duo, this is both made in China, as you can see. And this one, and another is this one, my journal book that is made in China. In my school supplies, I have 3 products from China, which is this white glue and this whiteboard marker and my calculator that is made in China. These are a product from China because as you can see, alam naman natin maraming product in China around the world. And mostly nakikita natin sa mga gamit is madalas nating nakikita yung made in China, kagaya na lang ng mga product ko dito na mayroong mga made in China. And I also have here a product from Korea. Ito yung Rare Beauty Lip Oil. And ito po, made in Korea. This is a tinted lip oil. And another one po is itong aking highlighter pen. And this is also made in Korea. And I also have a product made in Vietnam, my ball pen, which is the flex stick, and you can see here that it is made in Vietnam. My green highlighter is also from Vietnam, as you can see in here. These are a product from the other countries because aware naman tayo sa mga packaging nila and nilalagyan din naman nila ng mark kung saan galing yung produkto and kung sino ang may gawa ng produkto. And so, let's move on naman po sa mga gamit na meron ako dito na made from Philippines. Let's start po with this. Ito po yung deodorant powder. And nakita ko po dito na it is a product from the Philippines. And then, I also have this niacinamide lotion, which is a product in the Philippines. And another is I have this, my Feco notebook. It is a product from the Philippines because makikita naman po natin dito na it is from Muntinlupa City, Philippines. Another is this, my Orient's notebook na from Philippines. Makikita po natin dito. Galing siyang Makati. And I can surely say na itong mga product po na ito is made from Philippines dahil kagaya na lang po nitong niacinamide lotion. Yung may-ari po nung nagmamanufacture nito or yung nagpo-brand po nito is from Philippines. And nakikita ko po siya sa social media. And that's it po. Yun po yung mga bagay na meron ako na made from Philippines and the others are made from other country. So, after kong na ipakita and na-discuss sa inyo yung mga gamit ko dito na from Philippines and from other countries, nag-sink in sa aking mind na ito pala yung epekto ng globalization sa ating mga tao dito sa mundo. Na from what I learned from my contemporary subject na globalization is na-experience nga talaga natin yung globalization. Kagaya na lang sa pamamagitan ng mga product na shinoko sa inyo. And kahit din naman sa inyo, meron din naman kayong mga product na from Philippines and from other countries, and yung part na meron tayong gamit from other countries is nag-representa na na-experience natin yung globalization, na nakakagamit tayo ng mga gamit from other countries and nagiging beneficial ito sa atin. And alam din naman natin na yung mga product natin from Philippines is na available rin siya sa ibang bansa and nabibili rin siya ng mga tao sa ibang bansa. So, importante na naiintindihan natin at nalalaman natin yung concept ng globalization dahil nararanasan natin ito and nagiging beneficial ito sa atin. Well, hindi naman natin maaalis na may masamang epekto rin ito, pero nakakatulong pa rin ito sa atin. Yun lang po, and thank you for watching!